I'm making a crocodile for my school project.
Well done. So we need 2 pieces of paper to make this crocodile. I'll leave a link down below to let you know where we got this idea from. Okay, so we're just going to use 1 piece for starters, and what we have to do is we have to fold it into, I think, 8 pieces to make the body. So here we go. You okay, mister? So now you should have equal pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. We're going to cut some pieces out. So we want to cut 5 strips out first for the body. And this is going to be the mouth. So we cut this piece off here.
Yes.
So we cut these in half. So this will be the body, right? This is the mouth, and this will be the legs. So we'll get the next sheet and put it down like this and cut along here. All right, mister. All right. And listen. That's the tail, and then these are the legs. So put this down here, and this will be, what will this be? You know what this is going to be? It'll be the top half of it. Okay, time to make the body. So glue a little bit there, please. A little bit there. That's it, just at the edge. That's it, and maybe put a bit of glue on this side too. That's it. So this is the body, and because we're using a little bit of a thick card, it's not paper, I had to staple that so that it holds it together because it kept splitting apart. So that's the body. Now we're going to make the tail. The tail is with the longest piece that we had. Goes nicely. Anyway, so we fold this in half. Fold it in half, and we draw a line from corner to corner. I'm using a pen. Now, Mr. said he wants to cut that. Okay, he's going to cut the tail with this jagged, show the scissors, jagged, here on the camera, jagged scissors. Okay, nice. Be careful how you cut it, don't cut your finger. Good lad. Oh wow, you're doing a great job there. Hang on, you want me to help you? You want me to help you?
You need to cut your fingers then. And
Okay.
you can cut your nails.
Oh yeah, I should cut my nails, you're right. It's going to be a weird crocodile tail. Keep going.
Oh.
Look, open it up wide.
It looks like a crocodile snap. This looks like a crocodile.
Carry on, buddy. Just right up to there.
Okay, I'll do this.
I think I'm getting Americanized here. Speak saying buddy. It's mate. Well done. Shall I finish it off for you?
Oh no.
Go on then, keep going. There you go. There's your tail.
Look
No,
Okay.
we're going to use this one, look.
Okay.
See, there's your tail, alright?
Yay.
That looks good.
How about like these?
We don't need that now. Okay guys, I found 2 more of these pieces hidden under all this lot here. So I put them on. So I should have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 that way. Okay, now the mouth. We're going to use our mouth and we're going to fold this in half. And this is the leg piece. We're going to fold that in half right here. This is for measurement's sake. So we then match this thing here like that and draw a line, obviously straight as possible, and then we match this here and draw a line across there. And cut these pieces out. These 2 pieces are supposed to be going to be eyes. Okay, so then a millimeter, not millimeter, centimeter from these 2 edges. So it's about there. And from here to there, we're going to make a fold. Somebody's having a nice game over there. It's supposed to be your school project, mister, not me doing this.
Yeah. I'm tired of doing that much, but you can do the rest. But it's still my school project.
So now we're going to have to join that corner there to the edge there. It's going to be cut out with pattern scissors. So here.
This,
Yes, come on then.
like this.
Cut along the line there. Do you think you can do it? Good lad. Don't cut your fingers. Doing a good job there. Well done. Well done.
But how about...
No, you don't have to cut any more.
Do I have to cut this off?
No, you don't have to cut that off.
But you shouldn't put a line there.
If you cut it off, then it's no good.
You have a big sock on your table.
Take your foot off the table, mister. Hey! We don't want to smell your dirty feet.
No, they're not smelling it. They tasted it.
Ew.
Now this is now yours.
Okay, so we're going to make the body here. So we measure it with a good measurement there. There you go, guys. It's made. I wasn't supposed to make this. He's supposed to make this, but he's gone. He got bored, I think, and he just went. So this is the crocodile, which is quite well made, and thank you for the person who did this. Detail stuff. I like detail stuff. Okay, I'm going to fetch him and see what he says about this. What do you think about your project? Do you like your crocodile?
Yes, I love my crocodile.
You're going to take it to school?
Yeah.
Who are you going to say has made it for you?
Okay, I think it's me and Daddy.
Okay, well done. So guys, subscribe,
Yeah.
thumbs up.
Yeah. And everybody, keep on watching everything and our videos.
Oh, thank you for that. I never told him to say that, guys.